Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this particular one, I'll show you how to root your MTK based devices. By MTK, I mean devices such as Itel, Tecno, and Infinix. Okay, so before we proceed, I'd like to give a disclaimer in that this video is for educational purposes only, and I shall not be held liable for whatever happens to your phone. For this reason, it is utmost important that you back up your data before proceeding any further. Now, the phones that I've mentioned above, the MTK based phones, are usually very hard to root because their bootloader is locked, and hence applications like KingRoot, and all those other applications don't usually root these devices. So you may have tried downloading an app and realize that it actually doesn't work. So to root these devices, as a result, you will go through a lengthy process. And so this process would have to span a couple of videos, and I thought that I should do maybe a playlist of 4 videos. In the first video, which is also this one, we will install requisite drivers and set up a developed environment. This is to make sure that our device can be detected, and the only way that can happen is after we've installed the requisite driver. In the next video, we're going to back up our data and make sure that in case something bad happens and you break your phone, you can be able to go back to how it was. And in the third video, I'll demonstrate to you how to unlock your device's bootloader to enable the installation of TWRP and superSu. Finally, in the fourth video, that is, we will install TWRP and superSu. Anyway, so to achieve the above, we're gonna need a couple of tools. First, Miracle Box. This we'll use in our second video to back up our data. Second, you need ADB and Fastboot, and these we will use in our second video, I think, to unlock your bootloader. SP Flash tool, we will use this to install TWRP on our device. Alright, the other one is this one right here, SP Flash tool, and this is to install TWRP. And finally, TWRP, this is a tool you use to install superSu, and superSu is a tool that manages the root permission. So without wasting any more time, let's set up our development environment. So what you're going to need for this particular tutorial is MediaTek USB VCOm drivers, the link to which I shall leave in the description box. So to install these drivers, you're going to go to Device Manager, here, click any of this, go to Action, Add Legacy Hardware, click Next, choose this one, Next, click Hard Disk, Browse, go to the folder where you extracted your MediaTek VCOm drivers. Mine is right here, Desktop, Drivers, and here, and click on Drivers. And if you're using Windows 8 and Windows 7 and above, you have to use this one right here, Win 7. And then depending on your architecture, whether it's 32 bits or 64 bits, choose one of these, and then click Next, and then click OK, and then say Next, and yes, it's going to be installed. And another thing I have to say is for this to work on Windows 8 and above, you have to disable driver verification. And for you to do this, I really can't explain in this video because it's very basic, so you can just Google it or look for another tutorial on the same. Anyway, so that is it. We've installed our our MediaTek drivers. The next drivers we're going to install are the minimal and the ADB Fastboot drivers. Now these come together with the ADB setup. So once you install this particular setup, it's going to install the drivers to it. So just click on it and then say yes. It's going to ask whether you want to install drivers. Say yes again. And that's it. You're done. So your drivers are working fine. Okay. Fine. So in the next tutorial, we're going to demonstrate whether the drivers we just installed are working, and we're also going to back up our data, and we're also going to do some really exciting stuff. You don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so see you.